It's a miracle. It's actually raining. Alright, here's an update video of the RainX on my Cybertruck. So I haven't reapplied it since the last time I put it. We've been having no rain for a very long time. We randomly have a little bit of rain. I don't know if you can even call it rain. It's more like sprinkles, a few drops here and there. So we're gonna see. You can already see the raindrops are just falling down. So that RainX held up really well. I've been using the washer fluid and stuff too. So it didn't wash it off. Let's speed it up. Look, warp drive. This RainX still works really well. That's amazing. The part where the wiper blade stays, it's not really flying up. I don't know if that's just because the wiper blade causes some vortex there, but it's actually raining and it's still working well. So I don't know, it's raining. It's like August 1st. Usually we don't get much rain in the summer. It's like a desert here. So yeah, it's working. Look, we're getting those weird puddles there from the wiper blades being, I guess it's creating some type of vortex. Oh, they disappeared. But yeah, you can see the RainX is working still really well. I don't remember when I applied it. I think it's been more than 2 months though. So it's doing well, and it's been just hot. I've been using the washer fluid a lot, and it still works really well.